tricks, and today we are following the other video from sorting our laundry to washing our laundry. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the clothes and we're going to put them in the drum, and this is a front loading laundry machine, so I'm going to show you how this one works. So we're going to take the laundry, we're just going to throw it into the machine, and we're going to close the door, and then we're going to put in the liquid in here. So in this compartment in here, there are 3 compartments. You can come in this way. So here we have where the main wash is going to go. So I've already measured that, and that's going to go in there. Okay, and then we're going to put where it says softener, and it tells me the max line. You can fill it to the max line, or you can measure it. There's usually lines in here that tell you how much to put. Put that in there like that, and then we close it up. And now we're going to press the power button. And then I usually just make a turn, and normally my wash is always on cotton normal or casual, sometimes it will say. And then I look over here and I want to put it to cold, so I'm just going to press the button to get to cold water. I'm going to go extra high for spinning because it's going to rinse all the water out. And then that's it. I'm just going to press the play button or the start button. And then it kind of tells you how much time you have, and it begins. And that's how you use the washing machine for a front loader anyway. So if you're really liking the videos, please subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!